Happy 2023, you guys. It's been so good so far. So this is the first video of this year, and I'm hoping you'll get to see many other videos, because by the time you're watching this, I have done a lot of bulk shooting, and yes, we're doing it this year tuna force. This year God is going to protect our families. This year God is going to open our doors. This year God is, God. This year we are trusting in God. Yeah, so this is my first solo date of this year. I didn't imagine it to be this way, but I was expecting that the first solo date will be in some fancy hotel, but here I am in the backyard with my little picnic setup. But what counts is the effort, what counts is the thought, and what counts is the fact that you actually tried to do it and you gave it your best, So in today's video, did I say by the time you're watching this you'll have watched many other videos? No, I was wrong. I meant by the time you're watching this, you should be expecting many other videos, because I will be shooting so much before I release this video, because I want to be a little consistent. So instead of shooting and releasing, I'll shoot, edit, keep it, or schedule it for a release. So what I'm going to do is shoot this one, edit, and then I'll schedule it for a later date. So let's jump in today's video. I'm trying to when is today? Today is date 12. Yeah, 12th of January 2023. Trying to organize my year, or just reflect on the goals that I'm trying to achieve this year. Last year I was not very keen on this. I actually didn't write any goals. I was just living life, and I realized it's not a good thing, as much as people say you just live your life without pressure or anything. But as much as people say that, I feel like having goals and writing them down really means a lot, because you actually get to visualize them and work on them. So I've had this is the first time I am trying to make a vision board. I have no idea how it's done, so I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way, the tangible one. And because I am not very conversant about making the digital vision board. So I am going to do it in today's video. Another thing I have realized is that I have had this manila paper, these papers that I have also, these two pictures that I have printed, I have had them for the last 2 weeks, and I have been postponing it every day, because I was so afraid of committing to making one, because I know if I make one, I'll have to adhere to everything that is in that vision board. I'll have to push myself. I was literally afraid of doing the most, the comfort of being mediocre or just being average. So I have had them in my bedroom. Hizi kwanza nimekuwa nazo for the last I don't know how many weeks, because nilizinunua uko ma date 19 of last year December, and they have been in the car. Imagine the ignorance. So this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to organize myself. I'm trying to push myself out of my comfort zone, which hopefully through God's grace and through discipline, actually the word is discipline, through discipline, I will be in a position to follow these things to the letter, because deep down you honestly know you need them. But the fact that you're afraid to fail is what your fear of failure is what is holding you down. But you'll never know if you failed if you didn't even try it, So that is what we are trying to do. today. So I have everything set up here, and I was trying to make to take good pictures of the place, but has it okay? I have tried, man. You guys who do picnic things, but I know me I'm having a good time. So let me just try to explain what I have here. I have my manila paper, I have this book, this was just for aesthetics, and here's my diary. I just forgot my diary in the house. I have sticky notes, I have fancy pens that I feel like they will motivate sorry, I feel like they will motivate me to like do these things. And then I have my drink. This is juice, and I have a bowl of fruits. This is a mango, an orange, some grapes, and are these actually grapes? I don't know. And pineapple. And then guys, these are from my garden. Just look at that. How cool is this? Like nilienda nikazikata. Yeah. So I really don't know where to start, but let me just try to organize everything, and then I'll do it with you guys. So I saw on my podcast before, like once you have your goals, or you know what you're trying to like achieve in this specific year, you should like try to divide them into 5 or 6 categories depending on what your goals are. So mine will be career, education, and then I will have health, and then I will have money, and then I will have hobbies, then I will have relationship, and then I will have being. So I have my 6 categories here. So once you have your categories, this is just my way. I am not an expert. So once you have your categories, I would advise you to like just do these. So these here are my cutouts. Like these are not cutouts. Okay, these are not magazine cutouts, baby girl. So I looked for these everything that I wanted to represent my goals in my vision board. I looked them up on the internet. I printed them, and these are going to be like the things I'll be sticking under every category, these here. So let's do it quickly together. I'm not going to show you everything, but you know, sometimes goals, you can't show everyone your goals, you can't tell everyone your goals, because you don't know what they feel about your goals. So honey, until you have achieved everything, now you can tell it to the world. I don't know, that's just something I had somewhere. Yeah, so let's do this real quick. So you guys, I have done with sticking my pictures on this manila. So as I was like trying to make my vision board, I have realized I don't have, as much as I have my 6 categories, I don't have anything on relationships and what else, and health. Imagine, nothing. So I'm like, okay, I only had one for health, which is working out, and I think the person I told to print for me these 2 small pictures forgot, and I did not realize that's the only thing on health. And yeah, yes, so I'm like, do I really have nothing on relationship? Let me tell you, the vision board is full of money things, and what's that? Oh, sorry. It's only on a money, career, and education. And I'm like, is that the only thing that I care about? So, and a few other things that. So after now you done with these, you can take your sticky notes and maybe personalize some small notes for yourself to just remind you. These are just pictures, but you like need to write down what is represented by that picture, you know. So like personalize small details, small notes, small reminders, such things. And I have just realized, like, I think my motto for this year is self-discipline, because that's all that's in this a vision board. Self-discipline, yeah. And what else? So that is what I'm going to do right now. And I think after you have personalized everything, you stick them on top of specific picture for that specific note. I think it gets easier. So that's what I'm going to do, and then after that I think you're done with your vision board, and you can now stick it somewhere you're going to see it every day when you wake up. This is supposed to be a reminder of the things that are supposed to like drive you throughout the year, the things that are supposed to be like your goals, the things that are supposed to like guide you. Yes, so I think that's basically it. So let me just do this, and then we're going to wrap up the video. So you guys, I am done making my vision board. Thank you for being here with me throughout the time. Thank you for like being part of my like solo date moment. Also, we pray that God will hear all our prayers this year. I hope that we will get closer to God. I pray that we are going to like make it this year. I pray that we are going to achieve all our goals this year. And if you have not yet made a vision board, yet you know you need to make one, please do. This is a sign for you. Do it as early as now. It's not too late, as in, yeah, it's not yet too late to make one right now. so you can this time sign it dates. Hata Feb unaweza tengeneza vision board, doesn't have to be like after the Christmas, after the New Year's Eve, you know. So like just organize yourself, try to like collect yourself, make your plans and follow them to the letter. And in this channel, the motto of this year is self-discipline. Please, if you're not about to follow that, I mean, what are you doing? Also, if you liked my video, if it's the first time here, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Wambo Lynn, and you are welcome to my channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you want God to do for you this year. Or yes. Thank you for watching, and till next time, bye.